Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Grafana dashboards using backups and provisioning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Grafana dashboards using backups and provisioning, begin by locating your Grafana backup files. Ensure you have the Grafana installation directory open. Navigate to the folder where your backup files are stored. Identify the JSON files for the dashboards you wish to restore. Next, access the Grafana configuration file, typically found in the /etc/grafana/ directory. Open the grafana.ini file with a text editor of your choice. Locate the section that covers provisioning, usually labeled as Provisioning. Add a new entry for dashboard provisioning if it does not already exist. Create a folder for your provision dashboards if one does not yet exist. Copy your dashboard JSON files into this designated folder. Create a new YAML file for provisioning in the provisioning/dashboards/ directory. Specify the dashboard folder path in your YAML configuration. Include the relevant name and type in the new YAML file for each dashboard. Save and close the YAML configuration file. Next, restart the Grafana server for the changes to take effect. Use the command sudo system to restart Grafana server in a terminal. After the server restarts, log back into your Grafana dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard section to confirm your dashboards have been restored. If any dashboards are not visible, double-check the YAML configuration and JSON file paths. By following these steps, you will successfully restore your Grafana dashboards using backups and provisioning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.